can be applied with a tractor and a brush?
Sure. Even utility scale installations can have problems with lichen. Maybe not so common as commercial rooftops or residential installations, but they still can have those type of problems. In the ones that are cleaned with a brush on a tractor, what we advise is use an agricultural sprayer to spray the product first, and then come with a tractor after 10-20 minutes to brush the entire surface. If the contamination is really serious, we advise to brush without water. If it's not that serious and you see that you can just clean it in one pass, then just add the water so you can rinse at the same time. But probably if the contamination is a little bit harsher, just brush the first time without adding water, reapply the LRA, and then you'll probably be able to do it with a second step of brushing with the water to get them cleaned. Some manufacturers have the possibility of using sprayers on their brush, which is basically the equipment without the brush itself. So you can just spray it on and having a better distribution of the product. If not, you can use the brush itself as a sprayer. So you just stop the brush from rotating and you just apply the product on the surface. Why not rotating the brush? Because the way those brushes work, you will be removing most of the LRA from the modules. So we don't advise having the brush rotating while you are applying the first time the LRA. So what you'll need to do is you apply with the brush. You need to change to clean water, or if you have the possibility, using the dosatron to mix it in real time, and this way you just activate the bypass and you can have clean water to rinse. So it's a 2 or 3 steps process that you might need to repeat once or twice depending on the seriousness of the problem, but it's completely feasible to use the product with a brush on tractor, either with an agricultural sprayer or with the brush itself being used as a sprayer. So not so common, but still feasible, and there are some geographies where this will be needed, so to speak.